Welcome here, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a short video that will show you how to make use of the Tradingview app and the website as well in order for you to analyze. Tradingview is very important. There are lots of tools that can help with your analysis, and I will show you how to use them. Just stay tuned until the end. And just so you know, whether you're making use of Android or iPhone, you can the app is similar, and obviously the website is the same thing. So I'll try to cover both the website and the application. They are both the same, and it's just straightforward. This is Blessed FX Academy. We make forex trading profitable, simple. Ensure you like and subscribe. Kindly check our channel. You will see a lot more videos to help you out in your forex journey. So if you check the link in the description, there's a link for you to use to register on Tradingview. We recommend you use that to register, and you will be able to make use of the different tools that Tradingview has in store for you. So the first thing to do is you can easily download it on the app. On your app store, you go to Play Store or App Store. If you're using iPhone, you type Tradingview and you just have it, so you can click on install, and that's that. You can also go to the website. Let's go there. You can go with your Chrome browser, tradingview.com. That is the name of the website, tradingview.com. I'm sure you can see it right here, tradingview.com. So you open it, and when you open it, you will see all these things. You can click on get started for you to register. If you're using the link in the description, which I recommend, you click on it. You understand? Okay, so you can just click on get started. So I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to pause the video and create an account. I'm sure everybody can do everything that is involved with creating an account. So I'll create an account and then we'll go on from there. Okay, so I've created an account, I've registered. And after that, you click on this menu icon. You can see it's by the top left, the menu icon, the three lines there. Once you click on it, it opens up, and then you can see a lot of things. Just click on products. When you click on products, you see super charts. Click on super chart, and then we are going directly into the charts just to be able to do while we are here. Like I said, I'm going to leave the screen on horizontal so you'll be able to see a lot of things. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out. I like to zoom out, so it will be, this is the kind of zoom level I like. Okay, so there are a lot of things here. As you can see, there are a lot of things, and these things are fantastic. From here you can operate the app, do a lot of things. This place is for you to change the currency pair to whatever you like. To add another one, this is the time frame. This is the kind of, you can select the charts from candlesticks to whatever. This is for indicators. This is to add a trade alert menu, replay, and so many other things. Okay, if you come to this bottom part, you see the days right here. You see the days down here. If you come to the bottom right, you will see this icon here. We call it this icon down here is a settings icon. I need you to have that at the back of your mind. Settings icon. So let's start from the first one. You click on the AAPL. You can search the pair you want. Let's type Euro USD. Very instructive. Once you type it, Euro USD loads up. Okay, now this is the chart of Euro USD. It is showing us that it is a daily time frame. As you can see, the D there stands for daily time frame. So we can tap on it to change it to let's say 1 hour. Look at what the market is doing on the 1 hour time frame, like that. And these things at the bottom here is an indicator. Okay, histogram, it's an indicator. Let's remove it. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, it comes up with the volume indicator. You can see it came up here. So you click on the dustbin icon, that's refuse bin icon. You click on it, you take it off. Okay, so you have a clean chart. If you want to put indicators, you just click here to put your indicator. You can see it right there, indicators. Click on it, search. Let's say moving average. Let's just search with the word moving. It should show us what we want. So moving average, let's go with exponential. Moving average, once you tap it, it gets added. Then you can close the window. Now you can see the moving average. You can see the blue lines is the moving average. This is not a video on indicators. I have videos on that. I just wanted to show you how to use Tradingview on your mobile phone, on your mobile device. So if you want to edit your indicator, you tap this right here. You tap on it, and there are so many videos. So from here you can close it. You can click the settings icon. Like I always say, this icon is for settings. Very important. I think everyone should know that. You click there and you can change whatever it is you want to change. But let's just take it off. So that's that on indicators. You can save the indicator template. You can open it, open template, and you can add an alert. Once you tap on it, you add the price level, you add an alert, and it's going to let you know when whatever is happening. Okay, it's just going to let you know when the chart gets to that price level. So it's going to send you a notification. You can say it should send you an email, you should play sound, whatever. You can edit it. This is where I clicked for alert, by the way. Let me outline that exactly. So I just wanted you to know. So this settings icon down here is very important. Like I said, at this bottom right, very important. Let's click on it. You can see that why it's so important is in case your chart is messing up. For example, look at you can have a chart that is just going up, going down, like all the candles are not showing on the screen. Some of them are, how do I put it? Some of them are, hanging off, they're hanging down, I'm just hoping I get an example. So once you click that settings icon, make sure that this is checked. This auto fits data to screen. Make sure that it is checked. You make sure it is checked. Once that is checked, your chart will be showing properly. It's very important. That's like the main thing. You can click on more settings when you scroll down, and you can be changing the colors, the canvas here, change the symbols, change the colors and everything. But you really don't need that. Green and red are like the major candlestick patterns, So I said earlier that this is the chart type, this candlestick. You can click there to change it. Let's change it to bars. Yeah, you can see the bars. So very similar, but candles are the best. Hacking, Ashen, I'm trying to, Hacking, Ashen candles. They are like opposite. They are right there. So they are also important for those who need it. So Tradingview has lots of things. It has lots of things. So I will advise you practice as you watch this video. So use the link in the description to register, create an account, and you can see these things yourself. For those of you using a laptop, I have a video for the laptop users. It's also there in the link to the description. You can check, you can click on it in case you are making use of a laptop. It's very similar. It's the same thing as the website. In fact, I use the website for the laptop as well, so you can try that out. But let's go on. Let's talk about the symbols. I know most persons have been waiting for that. These symbols right here. How do you use them? What are they for? Now, they will help you in your analysis. Okay, you can scroll down. You can see a lot of it. Your phone might have it underneath, and that's okay. But having it by the side is just better. Okay, so you can actually save your work right here. You can save it, edit it, give it a name, save the chart, give it a name like that, like that. Okay, so let's go to this left hand corner. The first one is the icon for touching, as you can see. The second one is for your lines. The third one is also for your entries, and like that, patterns. This is the entries. Okay, this is also containing so many other tools. This one is text. Down here is text, and we keep going down that way. So we'll take them one by one. This first one, you decide what you want your lines to be. I prefer cross. You can use dots. This usually works better if you have a mouse. If you don't, you don't necessarily need it if you're using a phone. Let's leave it as cross. So the next one underneath is for lines. When you click it, there are so many lines coming up. So many. In fact, there are too many tools on Tradingview for you to use. Let's start with the trend line. Let's draw a trend. Okay, let me take that off. Trend line. You tap where you want to draw it. So it becomes easier that way. There you go. So it's pretty much simple. I like to make it slim. So when you tap on the line, you can see this bar that comes up. When you tap on the line, this bar comes up. Yeah, this bar comes up. So from here, you can do a lot of editing. Okay. So from there, you can do a lot of editing. You can tap on the pencil icon to change the color. Tap on the 2px to change it to 1 pixel, make it slimmer. I like to make it slim. You want to make it slim on your chart, okay? Then when you tap on that same place by the left, you choose, let's choose horizontal ray. Just tap where you want it to appear. Okay, let's go horizontal ray. Here you go. You can move it the way you want. I like it 1 pixel so it will be slimmer. So here we go, like that. So you can see the lines beginning to make sense. Maybe I should change this thing from cross to dots or to arrow. I think I'll go with arrow. Yeah, so if you put it at arrow anywhere you want it to be, start from there. So makes sense. Now we have these lines here, and there are so many other lines, so many lines. There's the ray, there's the info line. This info line is very important. It tells you, let's just even apply it right now. An info line, you hold, you tap, and here you go. So if you want to look at the information from this place to this place, it tells you it is 34 bars. It took 1 day 10 hours to be completed. You can see the information right here when you use the info lines. Okay, it tells you the angle, it tells you how many pips, you understand, it tells you what is 123 pips, blah blah blah. So that is the importance of the info line. So you can use it to get so many information. Let's say a trade moved from one point to another, you can use the info line to get that. So there are so many other things, which the parallel channel, this is also important. Okay, so this is a channel in case you want to use that for a trend line, for a trend, and like that. So these things are very important. So let's keep going on. Let's just go on. So this next, and when you click on that, you can see the Fibonacci retracement, the Fibonacci, the Gann box, and all these things. So this the Fibonacci extension. So if you have learned Fibonacci, you can make use of Tradingview to help you out. I can give you an example of how to draw it. So you draw it, obviously you draw it from one point to another. I'm trying to get that. Yeah. So you draw it from one trend to another. You understand, from the beginning of the trend to the end, and you'll be able to use it for your retracement to enter a chart. Let's just delete all this, make our chart clear for new things. But this is not a video on Fibonacci anyway. So these are patterns. These are patterns. The next one, they are patterns, and let's talk about triangle patterns. I think I see something like a triangle here. So you start. So you can easily use that triangle pattern demonstration. Okay, so you can draw triangles, you can draw so many things using this pattern. Although when it comes to triangles, I usually advise you use your trend lines and horizontal line. That is way better. But anyways, this is just an example on how to use it and move on with that. So there is the Elliott wave. For those who, if you understand how to use an Elliott wave, you understand the impulse wave, the correction wave, the 1, 2, 3, 5 impulse wave, the ABC correction waves, and like that. So of course, this is not a video on how to use that. I just want to show you how to make use of Tradingview on your mobile. So the next tool down here is very important. This is for your entry. This tool here is for your entry, like your sell, your buy. Okay, once you tap on it, the long position is obviously for a buy. So you tap where you want it to be. So when you see something like this, obviously you should be able to interpret what it means. So what it simply means is that the green part is the take profit, the red part or orange part is the stop loss. Do you understand? Is the stop loss. Okay, so the middle part, obviously the black line separating the green and red is the entry. So once you see it, you already know where the trader entered, where the trader is putting his take profit. For example, if we are about to enter this market, we can put it here and say, okay, this is where we are entering, this is our stop loss, and our take profit goes up like that. So that is how it works. So that is for the long position, that is the buy. Then for the sell is just the opposite. The take profit is down like that. For example, this simply means, okay, we are selling, this is our target, let's make it a bit down. And this tool also has some other information like the risk to reward ratio. It also has the number of pips. This place it is 40.6 pips. The risk to reward ratio is 1.3, which is 1:1.3. Do you understand? 1:1.3. We can increase it. If you increase it, it becomes 1:2.6. That is for every $1 you're expecting $2.67 back. Okay, that is $2.67 back. That's your target. Do you understand? So this is very important. This tool gives you a lot more information. So whether it's the buy or the sell, it gives you a lot more information on your targets, the number of pips. Even on the sell, if you click on the sell part, let me click on the sell part. Okay, the sell part is showing up there. Okay, it is 31 pips for the sell. You can see it up there now, 31 pips for the sell. That's from what we've said, the market is going to hit 31 pips if it hits our stop loss, whereas the take profit is 83. Do you understand now? So this is just an example. So it also helps in your risk management. These are some of the things you can do with TradingView. So when we click the same place, let's see, there are other information, the projections, the bars pattern. These are not really things that like I said, TradingView has way more things than you need. I'm just going to show you how to make use of the basic stuffs that will enable you place trade simply and analyze. Do you understand? And every other thing you can just, if you need them, you can just apply them. Okay, you can just apply them. Then underneath that, that is right here. Let me mark that. Let's go to that place so we'll see what it contains. It contains the brush, the highlighter, the arrow in case you want to I mark something, you understand. But I love the rectangle here and I love the path. Let's use the rectangle to identify a ranging market. That is the rectangle there. So to identify, so this is like a ranging market to see when the market breaks out of that range. So you use that rectangle for that. And if you tap the same place, you can see the path in case you want to say where you believe the market will go. Okay, let me use that path well. Let me try it again. So the path is just to help you. Okay, for some certain reason the path is just not working well. I think some of these things just work better on laptop. Let's look at the circle. Yeah, this is important in case you want to apply a circle like that, but it's not something so common. What usually works well is the arc or the curve. The arc is important for your round bottom. There you go. Okay, in case you want to look at a round bottom, this is it. This is the round bottom. You understand? This is an example of what looks like a round bottom. That is where the arcs gets applied. There are so many. There is ellipses. There is the curve. The curve is similar to the arc. You understand? And then the triangle. I think this is a better triangle. This should be a better triangle. Yeah, exactly. This is a better triangle. This is a better triangle for your charts. So, like I said, the more you practice these things, the better you get at it. So underneath that is the T sign. The T is the text. So in case you want to write something, So you can say trader. There you go. So you can move it about in case you want to label something. Underneath that is the emojis. I've never used the emojis, but if you want to, then after the emojis you see the ruler. That's the ruler sign right there. Okay, the ruler sign. So you can use that. You click on it and you can apply it. Okay, you can actually press this line to go back in case you want to go backward. Let me show you this here. To return and to go forward, you can use those there. Let me apply this ruler again. Here you go. So you can apply it and it will tell you, it will give you information. Okay, it's an info line, the ruler or whatever you want to call it. So it simply means, I don't know why it's going off. Okay, it's simply telling us that 69 pips, 46 bar, 1 day, 22 hours. It's just giving information from that point to another point, what exactly the market has done. Okay, so it's pretty instructive for you to use that. So there are so many other things here. There are so many other things which you can use. You can zoom in with this. You can zoom in here. Okay, you can zoom out. Very important. You can zoom in with your phone. Basically, it's just easier that way, like I'm doing with your 2 fingers on the phone. Or you can use this tool to zoom in and zoom out. There you go. So that is just basically it. That is that. I mean, I don't think there's any other thing. Every other thing is just to lock, to edit, to lock the chart and whatever. So now let's move to the app, and then we click on open on TradingView. Since you have already registered using my link on the description, you just have to log in at this point. The only difference is you'll be having things down here. So you'll be having things down here, and that's just the advantage. Your menu comes down here. The menu is down here. This is still your settings icon. Don't forget this icon when your chart is misbehaving. Click there, make sure it is fit to scale. Make sure it is fit to scale. So from here you can see so many things. You can even you can see so many things here to use, to edit, to use to edit, and the likes. So basically that's just it. That's just it. Okay, so if you check here, you can actually change the pair. You can type in, you can change it, you can click there, you can scroll up. Whatever you want to do, you can do it there. Okay, let's go back to the charts. So when you click on this place, you get to see, when you click here, you get to see so many options to choose from. The lines and the things we were looking at, you understand? So you can, close them, so you see the exact thing you want. Trend lines, forecasting and measurements, that's the long position. All those things I just talked about, this is where you see them. So let's just use the rectangle so you understand better. Okay, so this is it. Just so I'm not going to go back on how to use those things, obviously. I just wanted to show you that whether it's the app or the website, they are very similar. So use my link in the description to register on the website, you understand? And I will even advise you use the website. It's easier, it's better, it's just nicer, but if you prefer the app, by all means you can register on the website, then switch to the app. So thank you so much. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm going to reply to all of them. And if you have any topic you want me to cover in forex trading, you can ask me in the comment section. Do go through my channels. You see a lot more videos for you to watch. Ensure you share this video to those who are just starting their forex journey, just as a way to help them and get them started. So thank you so much. Do have a nice day.